What's up, navigators? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany Day, and this is Navigating YouTube, where I help content creators like you rank and search and grow organically. And today is a video you guys have all been loving on my channel, which is YouTube video ideas. So we are going to be looking at current trends along with some spring video ideas to help you jumpstart the next couple of months.
Thanks for helping us build this community. I really appreciate it. Today's shout out winner goes to this channel right here. And if you would like a shout out in our next video, make sure to comment down below or take a screenshot of you watching this one and tag us over on Instagram.
So we're going to go ahead and kick this off with videos for everyone. Okay, something that seems to be really big right now is trends that need to stop. You can definitely do this for spring, but some of the most popular ones are fashion trends that need to stop, design trends that need to stop, or even like 10 car trends that need to stop. So basically, whatever your niche is, definitely look for trends in your niche and then just put that need to stop at the end of it, and your videos should do well. On the other side of that, we have trends you need to try. And again, this can work for any niche, such as hair trends you need to try. There's also beauty trends you need to try, fashion trends you need to try, or even TikTok trends you need to try. Okay, something that I personally love watching, and I know a lot of people love this type of video, and again, works for any niche, is what I wish I knew. This is really good for your niche because one, it allows you to open up to your audience and allow them to see, like, okay, if we're on the similar journey, what can I avoid? What should I do instead? And they're kind of learning from a first-hand experience, and you're gaining the trust from your new viewers. So if they see you, you open up your heart on what you wish you knew about this certain subject, they're more likely to subscribe to your channel. So this could be things that include like what I wish I knew in my 20s. Of course, what I wish I knew before becoming a mom, if you're in the motherhood and lifestyle niche. What I wish I knew before getting a tattoo. What I wish I knew before going to college. Or what I wish I knew before buying a car. You can even narrow that down a little bit more to something that is very trending, and what I wish I knew before buying a Tesla. All right, and then the always popular are routine videos. And of course, with spring coming up means new routines for everyone. So you can definitely do spring morning routines for 2021. Although it doesn't have to be so generic, you can go ahead and narrow that down a little bit more. Spring morning skincare routine 2021, even a spring morning workout routine for 2021. And of course, on the other side, you do have your spring night routines for 2021, and you can do the exact same thing where you narrow it down even to something like my spring nighttime study routine 2021. All right, before I go to my lifestyle and vlogging niche category for video ideas, I always get questions of what I use to find my research, and the tool that I'm using today is TubeBuddy. So it's TubeBuddy's keyword research tool, and if you do not have it available, I do have a link down in the description box below for you that is going to get you 30 days absolutely free to try out all of TubeBuddy's best tools. So definitely go down in the description bar, check that out, so this way you can do more research on video ideas that are going to work for your channel. Okay, so for the lifestyle and vlogging niche, we have Spring Break Vlog 2021. And of course, most of us are still in quarantine or lockdown, or maybe our state or city is not open. So you can even do spring break at home ideas for 2021 to give everyone ideas on what to do to enjoy their spring break. All right, something fun that actually gets a lot of people's attention is trying my subscribers' favorite Starbucks drinks. Again, this is something that'll really connect you to your subscribers. Or you could do a challenge, which is getting Starbucks every hour for 24 hours. 24-hour challenge videos are actually really popular, and if you pair that with the popular Starbucks videos, you are bound to have a video that will help your channel blow up in 2021. All right, something else you could do is a must-try Trader Joe's items along with spring Trader Joe's finds. If you shop at Trader Joe's, that's actually a really good place to make videos on because they always have things that change and are seasonal, and people watch those videos to see what's new, so when they go to Trader Joe's, they know exactly what to buy. Something very similar is Target stores. So you can do Target Dollar Spot Spring for 2021. And then of course that can be split into two styles where you do a shop with me style, or you can even do it as a haul. All right, something I found that was trending, it's a little bit more niche and very unique. So if you are in this niche, this is definitely something for you, but it's an ASMR journal with me. Of course, we have a happy planner flip through 2021 and a happy planner setup for 2021. So we're Of course, diving into home and decor niche, we have spring decorating DIY ideas along with spring cleaning. Now, this is really good to turn into a series on your channel, so I highly recommend if you are in the cleaning niche or the home decor niche and you are doing a spring cleaning on your channel, definitely turn it into a series with at least 5 to 10 videos. You do not have to clean your whole house in one video when it comes to spring cleaning. You can really get into sections. You can even turn it into a spring cleaning checklist for your audience. This way they can download the checklist and kind of follow along with you, and they are bound to come back to your channel, which is going to get you more views and more watch time since it's all in one playlist. All right, something that is very popular right now and on trend is TikTok inspired room makeovers, and you also have outdoor spring decor. Now again, this can be turned into outdoor spring decor ideas, or you can even do an outdoor spring decor tour. So you're just showing everybody what your outdoor spring decor looks like to give them more ideas on how to turn their outside into a spring oasis. Okay, so I got a lot of requests last video to do more fashion, beauty, and all of that. So I'm definitely doing that. So we're gonna kick it off with spring dress DIY, spring fashion upcycle. You also have casual spring outfits for 2021, and it seems like lookbook style is what's going to get you the most views. And of course, you have the latest spring fashion for 2021, which this could be split up into a couple of different videos, which include wearable spring fashion 2021 or how to style spring fashion for 2021. All right, next up I have my DIY and crafts channels. So for you, I found DIY Dollar Tree craft ideas, Easter Dollar Tree DIY 2021, 5-minute crafts for spring, and DIY potting bench, which actually has a ton of videos with a massive amount of views. So if you know how to do all of that, I highly recommend you doing it. All right, so taking it back to my hair and beauty niche, we have spring hairstyles for 2021, and I know that's really broad, so you'll definitely need to narrow it down to lower the competition, which is going to increase your chance of ranking in search. So some things you can do are spring hairstyles for naturally curly hair, or maybe spring hairstyles for short hair. You even have heatless spring hairstyles for 2021. By now, most of us have fallen off of our New Year's resolutions, which if you saw this video and you didn't get through all of them, that is okay. You can still go back and jumpstart it. But people definitely need inspiration to get fit and just live a happy, healthier lifestyle. So if you are in the fitness and health niche, these videos are going to be perfect for you. And we're starting with lazy girl full body workout. And if you make that video, send it my way because I definitely need it. All right, we also have a no equipment workout, a tummy trimmer workout at home, and literally any Chloe Ting workout, including Chloe Ting's 2-week shred. I tried Chloe Ting's 2-week shred and even Chloe Ting's 2-week shred results. All right, and our last category is something I thought I would actually find more trending videos on, but it was pretty hard, which is confusing to me because I feel like everyone starts really cooking desserts in spring. But we do have our food category, and for you guys, I found food compilations for TikTok. Of course, we have seasonal floral desserts for 2021, instant donut recipes, which seems to be really big right now, so definitely jump on that if you know how to make instant donuts, and bonus if it's 2 ingredients or less. And we have simple dessert tutorials for the entire family. All right, but I hope you like these video ideas for spring 2021 and current trends that are going on in February and March. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, what is your biggest YouTube frustration? And for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, you can go ahead and check out this video here. Also have it down in the pinned comments below. Now get out there, make some content. Let's grow together.